Hey guys, it's Six here, and I got a controller from a friend today, and you go to plug in the battery pack, and it won't turn on. So, found out what the problem was. The problem was that this little black piece right here on the inside does not connect with this silver piece right here on the inside of the battery pack. So, what you're going to want to do, take a small shred of paper out, just about this big, maybe just a tiny bit smaller. You're going to fold it just like this, fold it over again. So it's a tiny piece of paper. And then you're going to want to grab some tape. About yay big, not super big, probably about these two segments of your fingers, not very big. Then you're going to put it right in the middle of the tape. You're going to grab your controller and you're going to tape it right in the middle, just like that. Bam, presto. Come over here, plug that bitch in place. Bam, there you go. Controller turns on perfectly. Beautiful. Catch you guys later.